In this video, we will learn about navigating the Rooms screen of your smart home system. Let's get started. From the main menu, select Rooms. This will take you to an overview of all installed devices neatly organized in alphabetical order. Here, you'll instantly see if any room has a fault or low battery warning, helping you maintain optimal functionality of your smart home system. To explore more rooms, simply swipe left or right. Each room provides specific information, such as the number of lights turned on, and if a temperature sensor is present, it will display the current room temperature. Furthermore, you can immediately see if there's a device issue or low battery within the room, ensuring you're always aware of the status of your devices. When you enter a room, you'll see all the devices and custom-created scenes assigned to that room, giving you full control and customization options right at your fingertips. And that's how you navigate the room's screen. Now you can effortlessly manage and control your smart home.